I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Alpha Brain. To begin, simply take 2 capsules of Alpha Brain each day. It is best to consume them with a light meal, such as breakfast or lunch. For the best results, make sure to take them consistently every single day. Remember, sticking to the recommended dosage of 2 capsules is important for your well-being and to achieve the desired effects. For optimal effectiveness, consider taking your Alpha Brain capsules in the morning or during the early afternoon hours. This timing allows the ingredients to work throughout your day, supporting cognitive function when you need it most. It is generally advised to avoid taking it too close to bedtime, as it might interfere with your sleep cycle. Also, remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day. When you begin taking Alpha Brain, you might notice several positive changes. Many users report experiencing enhanced mental focus and improved clarity in their thoughts. Some individuals also find that their memory recall becomes sharper and more efficient. It is important to remember that everyone's body is unique, so your personal results and the timeline for experiencing benefits may vary. Before incorporating Alpha Brain or any new supplement into your routine, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. This ensures it is suitable for your individual health needs. If you experience any adverse reactions or discomfort, please discontinue use immediately. Finally, to maintain the product's integrity, store your Alpha Brain in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.